sweet snack. I'm gonna do two things. I'm gonna do 2 slices of Sara Lee honey wheat bread. 2 slices are 140 calories. And then the second thing I'm gonna do is double stuff Oreo. And a few of those. So I've been adding on a little extra cleaning each day this week. So I've been burning a little bit more calories. So I've been doing like between the Tanis Diet with running low volume with the stationary bicycle as my running high intensity time slot. I've been doing that plus a little bit to balance out a little bit the extra calories I gain, because it's harder to keep going the next day. I find when I'm like I burn additional calories. So I'm doing like a not quite at the Tanis Diet with slight weight loss. It's like between, because I'm burning more calories, it's like comes out a little bit under that, because I'm trying to be closer to the Tanis Diet with running low volume, but I'm not quite at that. Okay, so yeah, it's a but it's still the Tanis Diet with running low volume base. Oh yeah. Been cleaning the red squirrel feeder, and then I've been doing the cleaning the deck a couple days. We'll see, since we have snow, maybe not tomorrow. Maybe get back to it on Sunday and do a little bit more on Thursday. They're thick slices. Fluffy, sweet. One of my favorite things when I was growing up to do with this bread was I would make tuna fish sandwiches with it. And it was sweet enough I didn't necessarily need mayo for my tuna fish mixture because the bread was sweet. I wasn't a big mayo person, but I did it sometimes. I like sour cream, but it wasn't like the sour cream enthusiast that has a big squeezy bottle of sour cream and takes it with them when they go and like eat fast food and stuff like that, and then adds it to stuff in the car. I don't do that, but I did like sour cream. I still do, but not like a bunch, and it's not like I have to have it. I use it kind of infrequently these days. Even when we have tacos, I don't put sour cream on my tacos. Even if it's low fat. That's something that's kind of different. And I am Tanis Coralee Leonhardi. This is my YouTube channel, Tanis Leonhardi. And today is Thursday, 11 January 2024. I am dog sitting my little brother, Kona. He's about what are you, 25, 26 years younger than me in planet Earth years. The one that stays fixed. Here he is. Here's Kona. And I'm dog sitting him. And my parents are helping my grandma Connie and Oak Harbor do some house cleanup. All right, we'll give that a 49 out of 10. Up next is double stuffed Oreo. 2 Oreos is 140 calories. How about go? 2 pieces of bread is 140 calories. 2 cookies is 140 calories. There's a theme. Maybe I'll do 4 cookies. So be an extra 420 calories. And then I've been burning about an extra 150 to 200. So it ends up being, what? 220 to 270 extra calories. So a little bit under the Tanis diet for slight weight loss. Like that was add 300, so this is a little bit under. So that means like a little bit like more net calories lost in the day than on that one, but less net calories lost than the Tanis diet with running low volume. Yeah, normal. Okay. All right. Good amount of filling. Crispy cookies. These are leftover from when John Dale visited last week. And last week, I mean, he arrived Thursday last week. Today's Thursday. So a week ago today. And then left the next day. Here's the Oreo cookie design on the exterior cookie. Should we pull one apart? Looks a little bit like snow or slush. Ice. The cream filling. They're getting better as I'm eating them. My palate is adjusting to the flavor intensity. It wasn't as strong. I think it was because of the sweetness of the bread at the beginning. But my palate has had time to adjust and cookies to adjust. I will give those a 50 out of 10. They're good. I know a lot of people like the chocolate cookies. I like the cream filling. So I like these more than like the regular Oreos. That's just me. Everybody's different. Connor's like, yeah, I would want more than 4 cookies.